guys see the plane.
We're having fun.
Blow your whistle. Blow your whistle.
Hurry.
There you go.
Good job.
Jump aboard our rainbow train as the train launches forward and away. Prepare for the G-forces and loops ahead. Along the way, we will be laughing and screaming all the way. Come join us for the adventures of Bright Coastal Club. For the adventures of Bright Coastal Club.
Oh, no, sorry, don't mind that. Anyway, please secure all those articles that Cedar Point is not responsible for whatever you lose here today. Because of whatever falls on the river, it's staying in there and it's not coming back out. We're going to wave goodbye to it together, just like that. One last thing for me, folks. I need no eating, no drinking, no smoking, and no vaping on this here boat. If you guys get it, say, got it!
Got it.
If you got it, say, yeah! Alright, folks, thank y'all so much, and enjoy your smuggle.
I think you mean
Smuggle.
expedition.
Sorry, expedition. Yes.
We might have to send you back to training for that.
I'm sorry.
Well, hi everyone. Before we get started, I have a couple housekeeping things I need to take care of. First off, hi friend, what's your name? That's you. Do you have a name? Christopher. Did you know, Christopher, that you're holding a bag of very explosive dynamite today? Here, I'm gonna take this from you. Everyone, see this red tag right here? Red means dead. D-E-D. Dempsey's explosive devices. So I'm gonna put this in this here box so nobody gets hurt. And then what is your name, friend? Carolyn. Can I see this real quick? We know the gold's in the bag because it has a gold tag. Now you hold on to this until I can get it from you later in our trip. Well, welcome aboard the Kanawha, everybody. My name is Holly, and I'll be your guide along the infamous Snake River, home of majestic wildlife, gun-toting outlaws, and if you believe the legend, the basilisk, king of all serpents. A snake so evil it can freeze your soul just by looking in your eyes. Who here's afraid of snakes? You're afraid of snakes? All right. Okay, so in case of any danger today, I'm going to teach you our Snake River wolf call. So repeat after me, friends. That was pretty good. Now you use that wolf call in case you see anything dangerous, anything scary, such as snakes or outlaws, or they told me a third thing in training. Even bigger snakes. That's the thing. All right, so this is always such an interesting part of the journey because this is water. Woo! Woo! Stay hydrated, everyone. Just don't drink this water because that does not look refreshing at all. Another thing that happens over here, if you look over there, you'll see a flying yellow snake. I always see it and I always get scared of it. And you also see some critters walking along. They have funny looking legs, like those ones are walking. Those ones over there are waiting for something. Oh, that's my friend Snoopy over there. I didn't know his name until someone told me. That's Snoopy up on that house. Yeah. We always see some really interesting critters here. Does anyone here have any favorite animals? What's yours? Frog. What was it? Poison dart frogs. I don't think I've seen any of those. What's yours? Owls. Owls? I really like little froggies. Whoa, oh, I really like froggies. Well, over here we're gonna see okay, well, so I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is, that's a bear. The bad news is, that is my house.
Oh.
I did not invite you to my house, Mr. Bear. At least Bandit the Raccoon is doing my laundry. He's not good at laundry, but I keep him around anyways. Oh, we were supposed to have a band for you today, but it looks like those critters got a hold of the instruments. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. It was supposed to be one direction, but I think they went in their separate directions. I appreciate that. Oh, those bears on the swing tells me though it must have been a swing band today. It's okay, you're allowed to laugh at my jokes. I get paid in pity laughter, not in money. I like that one. That was good. Thank you for that. Oh, that's Flapjack McGee and his family. Hi there, Flapjack. What are you making today? Oh, looks like he's making flapjacks, I should have guessed. Did you save any chocolate chips for me? You ate them all? Oh, he's always eating all of my chocolate chips. I keep telling him not to. He knows they're my favorite, but I will tell you what. Flapjack and his family are always working super hard. In fact, you could even say they're as busy as beavers. Oh gosh, that was really close. Oh, I felt some of that get on me. That was really nice and refreshing. Well, we're coming up on Crystal Rock Bottling Company. Who here knows what Crystal Rock Bottling Company is famous for? Whiskey. That's very close. Moonshine. Who here likes moonshine? You like moonshine? Did you? As long as you didn't have any before you got on the boat.
Oh, of course I didn't. Why would I?
That's a second strike against you. It's okay. Trapper Dan's gonna have a nice talk with you after our shift today. Oh, well, Bandit, you're supposed to be doing my laundry. How did you get over here so quick? Oh, those are snakes! Why didn't any of y'all warn me with the wolf call? It's a little too late for that, don't you think? Just a little. That's okay, I think we're safe now, but it does look like we are approaching Seville. Now, Seville is a lawless land, so keep your eyes peeled for anything suspicious because this is where we drop off our gold. In fact, let's see if that fella over there is one of ours. What? Oh, jeez. Okay, well, let's give our wolf call on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It looks like she's one of ours. Pull on over, Captain.
All right.
We're gonna drop off our gold. We're gonna get out of here real quick because this place gives me the heebie-jeebies.
Okay, moonshine.
Kayla, do you?
Moonshine.
I love moonshine.
Yeah.
You like moonshine? Did you just see Crystal Rock Bottling Company? Is that why you asked me why?
That's right.
All right. So how you doing, partner?
Good.
I'm glad.
So do you actually have some for us or
I
not?
don't have any moonshine.
Oh.
But I do plan on dropping by there after you drop the cargo.
Oh, I got it. I know what you're saying. Well, very excited to see you today, my friend. In fact, I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to get straight down to business.
All right.
I have a very important question to ask you today. How has the river been today?
Green and wet.
That's not what I mean. How has the wink, wink, nudge, nudge river password been
The
today?
password.
The password.
Yes.
I forgot.
Oh.
Oh, but I wrote it down on a piece of paper. Can I go find it?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, folks. It's real embarrassing.
And I thought I was the dumb one. Some of the people here are dumber than rocks. Can I see this? Thank you so much for holding on to it.
Oh, I think I found
You
the password. It's right here. Yeah. This is your password. This is a stick up. Everybody put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
Wait. You cannot come aboard unless you know the password.
That's right.
Oh, yeah. She got me on. Yeah, you're on your way then.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Oh,
Have a great day.
Oh, wait a second. Could it possibly be Slytherin by snakes? Change your password at least once a month, folks. Trapper Dan isn't as smart as he thinks he is, and by the looks of it, neither are any of you. Now, I know somebody on this boat got the gold, and I think I know who it is. Well, let's play a little game, shall we? Fried chicken, chicken stew.
I don't like this.
Who's got the gold? I think it's you. Hand it over. You got the gold. It's gonna be right here. Where's the gold? Huh? What? Hey, get back! Where do you think you're going?
I'm just going on a walk. It's a really nice day.
Just make me do it.
Well, you hear that? That is Etta Fox's cavalry horn, so you best watch your back.
Well, you best watch your back, partner, because
Well, what do you mean?
I got the gold, boys! Get 'em! Get 'em!
I think we're safe. Is everyone here still alive? Can you give me that wolf call if you're still alive? Okay, so maybe that was like 7 of you. Well, gosh darn it, we lost that gold. Trapper Dan's gonna be so upset with us. Hi, friend. Would you consider us to be friends? You seem a little unsure. Well, I have a question. So if you see Trapper Dan, can you tell him that you lost the gold and I didn't? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, well, I didn't even have to fight you about it or anything. That was so nice of you. Thank you, friend. Good trappers help each other out. Well, good thing, though. That's Anna Fox's flag, which means help's on our way. And we saved that dynamite, so I'm just going to get it out. I think they changed the color of it, though. I don't know if this is a health code violation. It's supposed to be red, but it looks more like a gold code. Wait. This is gold, which means they have the dynamite and we have our gold. Well, good thing I did that on purpose. Wink, 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 wink. Yeah, thank you. I'm so glad we're on the same page because that was totally my plan all along. LOL. Oh, that's good. That's not supposed to be there. That's supposed to be in our secret mine. You did not hear that from me. Well, those wolves are doing a pretty good job of guarding it, I guess. Well, thank you, friends.
There he is.
Well, serves you right for stealing our bag, you outlaw.
Oh, yeah? How about you come across this dirty water and come again?
I can't swim.
That's what I thought. We got to go on and we're going to location to your secret mine. Secret mine location every month, folks.
All right, you dirty outlaw. Drop that bag.
How about you try to stop me? We got to go.
Wait. He has the dynamite. Blow up the outhouse.
Oh, it's a good thing I really did just that.
Oh.
So smart. He's so stupid, and this is what he gets.
Oh my gosh, everyone give our friend a round of applause! How'd you do that?
Well, I dug a tunnel, okay?
Oh! Okay, well, that's really fancy. I know. Yeah, have a great day. Well, that was very exciting. In case you missed it, first we had the gold, but then we didn't have the gold because they took the gold, so we lost the gold, but then the gold was in the box, and then someone exploded. Well, this has been such an exciting day. Thank y'all for being such a wonderful crew and for promising on your lives to not tell Trapper Dan that anything that happened today was my fault. I'm trying to save up for college and get some brain cells in this noggin of mine, so anything that you can do to help me, I appreciate. Oh no! That's the basilisk! It's happening! Oh, that's its venom! I've never seen a snake do that before. Okay, let's not look at it. Let's not. Why are y'all looking at it? Oh my gosh. Well, did it take your soul? Everyone's souls are still intact, correct? Yeah, you think so? Okay, some of you are looking a little grim. Do any of you need first aid? Do you need first aid? Do you need first aid? I'm legally required to ask 3 times. So that's okay, I think we're fine. Well, we are approaching the dock now. So Captain Tyler, do you have anything to say to us?
I sure do. All right, folks, I am. We approach the dock, please remain seated until told otherwise. And folks, be prepared for some mild bumping within the next 10 to 20 seconds, or we love to call here on the river some good old peer pressure.
It appears that they didn't get the joke.
Oh, really? Oh, maybe I should dock it then.
That one was good.
Wow. Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, and that's on period.
All right, here we go, folks. Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was tiny peer pressure.
Oh, yeah.
And also, make sure that when you get off the boat, you take all your belongings off the boat with you, because if you don't take them, then I will. And I've always wanted one of those little fancy, like, boxes that you have that you can, like, talk to people on. Except if it's an Android. I've heard weird things about Androids, so you can keep those, but the rest of them are probably fine.
All right, folks. Well, thank y'all so much for riding today. If y'all enjoyed this, we'll sing. Oh, thank you. If you enjoyed this ride, this was Snake River Expedition. If you did not enjoy, this was Jungle Cruise. Alright, go ahead and say it with me, Jungle Cruise. Yeah, there we go. Alright, this time you can stand up, make your way to the front of the boat and leave.
We just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club, and we're at Peanuts at the Point.